Search on yourtasker.com. Web Content Extractor is a powerful and easy-to-use web scraping software. It allows you to extract text and images from any website. It is highly accurate and efficient software for web data extraction. All the results will be extracted and formatted in a list that you can review before saving to a CSV file that can be imported into MS Excel or your MySQL database. Download and try our free automated softwares to collect important data from websites. Assign the task to software, and the software will work for you all the time. Automate your business now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon to get updates for new videos. Download this tool link available in description.